Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Lexus RX 350 versus Cadillac Xt5. Let's dive into their performance. The Lexus RX 350 typically comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 275 horsepower. The Cadillac Xt5 offers a choice between a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, producing 235 horsepower, or a more powerful 3.6-liter V6 with 310 horsepower. Both vehicles provide a refined driving experience suitable for various road conditions. Moving inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort and technology. The Lexus RX 350 boasts a serene cabin with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. The Cadillac Xt5 counters with a contemporary design, featuring intuitive controls and available advanced tech. You'll find generous passenger space in both, along with practical cargo areas, making them ideal for families or those needing extra room. When it comes to safety, both the RX 350 and Xt5 excel. The Lexus RX 350 often receives top safety scores, equipped with advanced driver assistance systems like its Safety System Plus 3.0. The Cadillac Xt5 also provides robust safety features, including automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist. Owners can expect dependable performance and strong reliability from either luxury SUV, ensuring confidence on every journey. Finally, let's consider value. The Lexus RX 350 is renowned for its strong resale value, making it a solid long-term investment. The Cadillac Xt5, on the other hand, often provides a compelling package of features and style at a competitive price point. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize established luxury and resale or modern design and feature-for-dollar value. For more great deals, including those leak-proof containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.